here. Just think about what this is. Think about it. And share with your partner what I was trying to do. What was I trying to do? How do you think that I can make this better? Or should I write that's a reason, right? That's true. I can take it home at night and play with 2 dogs instead of 1.
Boise.
Okay, all right, puppies. I heard some exciting things. Heard that I'm trying to convince Mr. Williams that we could get a pet dog, right? Pet puppy, pet dog. And then some of you gave me some reasons for it. Like, for example, I could take it home afterwards to play with my other dog. Or we could play with it at recess, right? What are those things? What, Honorine? Reasons, right? Convincing reasons so that Mr. William does what? Let's see. Elliot?
He can get it for us.
So that he agrees, right? So we persuade him to think it's a good idea. Okay, what do you guys think? Did I do a good job already with this topic sentence? I strongly believe, let's not yell out, I strongly believe we should have a puppy as a classroom pet. Do you think this will convince him? Okay, I'm sorry. Thumbs up if you think this will convince him. Thumbs down if you don't. Let's see. Margaret M., what do you think?
I think you only added one strong word that's strongly, so you need to add a little bit more strong word.
Very good. I need to add some more strong words. Yes? Visha?
I think you should write, I want a beautiful and a wonderful puppy, maybe.
Maybe describe the puppy a little bit more.
Black puppy.
Honorine?
I think that you can continue with that, only with that because the puppy contributes you.
Okay.
And also because there's 2 strong words for me. Trust me and believe.
Strongly believe. Okay. Shitty?
I think it's medium because I believe we should have a class pet, and I also wanted to add on to Margaret that we need more strong words.
I need stronger words. So maybe in the back, like we did yesterday, I should write my reasons, my strong reasons, right? To convince him. I don't think this will be enough. If I take this to him, he will not be convinced. So I use strong words in my reasons to convince him that we really need a pet puppy. We did letters yesterday where we put convincing reasons to have someone persuaded to do something for us or to give us something, right? Am I correct? Thumbs up if you did that yesterday. Today, we're going to write some persuasive reviews. It's a little bit different. So I'm going to show you a video that gives an example. And you tell me, how is it similar to a persuasive letter and how is it different? Okay? Let's listen carefully because it goes very quickly. It says, in your opinion, what is the best food? Please no talking.
First, what is the best food? In my opinion, pizza is the best food. I have many reasons why I think pizza is so great. I like pizza because there's so many varieties. To name a few, there's barbecue chicken, Alfredo, and cheese. Another wonderful thing about pizza is the cheese is so melty and it slides right down your throat. I also love how easy pizza is to eat. You don't even need any utensils. Just pick it up and stuff it in your mouth. I think my favorite thing about pizza is when you reheat it the next day, it tastes just as good as the first time you ate it. I think everyone on this planet should eat pizza at least once a week. I think pizza is the best food ever!
Okay. So how many reasons did she give us? 5?
4. About 4.
Let's raise our hand, please. Let's raise our hand, please. Lollipop. Persuasive. Review. How many reasons did she give us? Honorine?
I think she gave 5 or 6.
5 or 6? Elliot?
4.5.
4.5. How could she give us 4.5? She gave us 4 reasons. 4 reasons for what? Let's raise our hand, please. Ava? Why she likes pizza? Is she trying to persuade anyone by saying I like pizza? Margaret? The pizza is the best food.
She said, I think pizza is the best
Food ever.
ever.
She's trying to persuade everyone to think the same as she does, that pizza is just the best food ever. And she gives 4 reasons. What else does she do within those 4 reasons? Think about it. Neva? She explains. Okay.
She shows pictures and tells why.
She explains. She shows pictures.
Because she tells about the cheese.
She tells why. So, does she use the Oreo?
Not why. No. She uses the pizza.
Oh, what's Oreo? She gives first what? And her opinion is what? Raise your hand, please. Margaret, thank you.
I had something to say about shows pictures that she also adds her feelings by she likes.
Those pictures, she adds feelings.
It's outside when the word there means.
So she starts by giving us her opinion. Pizza is the best food ever. Then she gives us what? Margaret? Reasons. She gives us 4 reasons. The cheese is wonderful. There's lots of different flavors. You can eat it with your hands. What else?
And when you
Raise your hand, Honorine.
and when you have a pizza that's waiting yesterday and the day after you just put it in the microwave.
It's still good the next day. Very good. So she gave 4 reasons. She gave 4 reasons. And in those reasons, she used really cool words, right? Like a gooey, wonderful cheese. So delicious. It's the most wonderful. You can have another opinion. This is her opinion.
There's no
I'm sorry. Oh, wait. Iseline, thank you for raising your hand.
She also did examples.
She also gave examples. Very good.
Pizzas that are yummy that she likes.
Very good. She gave examples and explanations. She said, this is the pizza that I like, and she showed Why? And then at the end, what does she say? Margaret? She resaid her opinion and she added what? Best food ever? Risha?
She had feelings.
She added her feelings. She gave her opinion plus her feelings. Makes her happy. Okay?
She said that she thinks pizza once a week.
And she's trying to convince everyone to have pizza once a week. Okay, so what's the difference between a persuasive letter and a persuasive review? It seems very similar, right? Israel?
I think the difference is that review is we're not writing the letter, but we're testing ourselves.
We're testing ourselves? Okay. Honorine?
I think that the difference between the persuasive letter is that in the persuasive letter you just write your letter, and in the persuasive review that you just have to look over to see if you check right or if you use the words and it makes sense.
Okay. If they persuade someone, if it makes sense, if you use special words. But also, are you saying here, are you writing to someone? No. You're trying to convince a lot of people, right? Oh, for example. Yeah. We're going to do a persuasive review, and we're going to try to convince our readers of the best food, of what your favorite food is. Or your favorite fruit, or your favorite vegetable, or your favorite food in general. So you're going to do the same as in the video, okay? Do we understand?
I need it because
It's not that you need it, but that you think it's the best food in the world, right?
I think it's the best food in the world because it has so many flavors.
There's lots of different flavors, good, that you can choose from. Good, okay, so you already have 2 reasons, so keep working to figure out the other reasons to convince us, okay? Good job. What do you have so far?
I'm writing my opinion.
Your opinion first, but how did you start?
Miss Maria.
Are we reading a letter? An opinion? A persuasive letter?
We're writing for everybody.
Right? We're writing a persuasive review. In our example, did she write to someone?
No.
She was kind of trying to convince the world, right? So we're going to try to convince the whole class. What are you going to convince them of? What's your opinion? Okay. So you drew a picture of what? A pizza. So your opinion is that pizza is the best food in the world?
Yeah.
Okay. So why don't we start by writing our opinion? Because we're not writing a letter, so we don't have to write please. We'll just write our opinion first. What's your opinion? Your opinion is that pizza is good?
Yeah.
Is that using strong words?
No.
What's a better word for good?
Fantastic.
Fantastic. Very good. Good job. Good. I like that opinion. And then after the opinion, what do we write?
The reasons.
The reasons. Good. So you can continue with the reasons. Think about it. You read your persuasive review so far, Timmy?
My opinion is that pizza with bacon on top and macaroni and cheese. I think that everyone should love Italian food. And I also think that the most fantastic food is hot dogs.
Okay, so that's a lot of opinions, right? You're saying pizza, macaroni and cheese, hot dogs, and Italian food. So let's stick to one opinion. What can you do with one opinion? Okay. You give one opinion and then 4 reasons for that opinion. You want to work on your opinion a little bit more? Okay. Read to me your persuasive review.
My character is my favorite food. My favorite food is strawberry because it is very sweet and it is very, very, very super good and it is very helpful for me.
Okay. So you have some reasons that it's very good and that it's helpful. Okay. What other strong words can we use for our reasons? What's another word for good? A strong word.
Excellent.
Excellent. Yeah, excellent. I think would be more convincing.
Excellent. You get it? Excellent.
We're talking about strawberries, okay? So we have, maybe you can change good for excellent, so you can have a stronger adjective there. And it's very good for you, or sorry, it helps you. And what other reason?
Strawberry is best fruit ever.
It's the best fruit? That's your opinion, right? Okay, so you can state that at the end. What are you going to write for the reasons? Do you need some more time? Yeah, it's good. Chosen as your favorite food? Salad. And so your opinion is what?
That salad is the best food in the world.
Great. And then we have the R of the Oreo, the reasons. You said what?
You said that it can make you healthy.
It can make you healthy. That's a good reason. What other reasons?
That it's really good.
It's really good. What's another word for good?
Fantastic.
Fantastic. That's a great word for good. So you need a couple more reasons and some examples. If you say it's healthy, maybe you can say examples like it makes you strong, right? It gives you energy. And then you state at the end, what do you do at the end? What does the O for Oreo at the end stand for? O. Borrow a pencil, so I'm going to write down Oreo here so you don't forget. O R E O. So we have your opinion, your reason, your examples or explanations, and your opinion again with feelings, right? With feelings. What kind of feelings can you say? Would the feeling be happy or sad?
Happy.
Happy. For example, maybe choose another word for happy, a stronger word, stronger adjective. Okay, you can think about it. Okay?
I know what.
Yeah.
Joy.
What? Joyful. That's a good word for happy.